Hey, so have you heard about the devastating earthquake in Myanmar? A 7.7 magnitude quake, over 1,600 dead, and rescue teams are just struggling with the influx of info.
Yeah, I've seen some posts. People talking about houses collapsing and roads cracking. It sounds like total chaos.
Exactly. When something that massive happens, the data it floods in, right? And that's where a tool called AIDR, Artificial Intelligence for Disaster Response, comes into play. It's designed to sift through social media data like posts on X to pinpoint cries for help and damage reports.
So it essentially filters out the noise to help rescue teams focus on the urgent stuff?
Yep, pretty much. Imagine someone posting, "A building collapsed in northern Mandalay, kids trapped inside." AIDR tags that as urgent help needed right away, saving tons of time over manually digging through thousands of posts.
Yeah, that sounds super efficient. But how does it handle the sheer volume with, potential misinformation floating around?
Good question. The tool itself doesn't verify if a post is legit. It organizes and tags the incoming data based on keywords and manual training. So, rescue workers still need to check the info, but it cuts down the time they spend on sorting through every post.
That makes sense. I get it. But isn't that a bit risky? I mean, if you're relying on this tool and some fake posts slip through, could that misdirect the rescue efforts?
Yeah, that's a valid concern. It's not a magic fix, it just streamlines the process. Human verification remains critical to catch any errors.
Absolutely. Can't leave all the decision-making to the AI.
Now, using ADR is actually pretty straightforward. First, you head over to their website at aidr.qcri.org, sign up, and log in.
Right, so all you need is a working internet connection. Okay, got it. Then what?
Next, you create a new project. You could name it something like Myanmar Earthquake 2025 and add specific keywords, like Myanmar Earthquake or Mandalay Help, so it knows which posts to track.
That's like giving the tool a little roadmap, right? It sounds almost like you're training a smart assistant. Pretty neat.
Totally, and then you connect it to a data source, say Twitter's API. After that, AIDR will fetch posts in real time. Then you manually tag a batch of posts, around 50 to 100, like marking someone's trapped as help, and it learns from that to auto-sort subsequent posts.
Yeah, like teaching it step by step. So its learning is iterative. But what happens if the internet's down in the disaster zone?
That's a limitation. If local communication is cut off, AIDR can only grab posts coming from outside, like people tweeting from neighboring countries. Even so, as long as there's some data trickling in, it helps organize the chaos.
So it's not perfect, but still a lifesaver. And it even supports multiple languages, right? That's important for a diverse country like Myanmar.
Exactly. It handles Burmese and other minority dialects. Plus, you can customize tags for medical needs or food shortages. It's highly adaptable, which is impressive.
Right on, that flexibility is key. I mean, it's fascinating how AI can help save lives in real time.
Yeah, it's like having an extra set of eyes during a disaster, scanning social media to guide human responders where they're needed
absolutely.
most.
This kind of technology is definitely the future of disaster response.
Couldn't agree more. Even with its limitations, tools like AIDR offer a significant boost in efficiency for rescue teams.